Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be putting the fuel rail in the car and for monkey wrench, and I went ahead off the camera. I went ahead and I put the fuel pump mod on it, including the return fitting, the pump. I disassembled the whole pump itself, and I made the inside canister a little bit bigger where I can put the fuel pump just for support. And we'll be installing this baby as well. All right. Also went ahead and I took the engine cover off. I took it off, and we'll be undoing the injector connectors, as well as the fuel rail line. I mean bolts, and undo the line of the fuel rail right here. And we'll be installing the whole kit that I have here. Sorry, fuel rail, and we'll be getting on it. Guys, I just finished installing. Sorry I didn't record much, but I got the fuel rail going. I left a little bit of extra hose here because when I removed the battery and relocated to the different spot, I'm going to try to put it on that corner over there, or this corner over here on the chassis, and then the intake. So I'm going to relocate the fuel regulator somewhere else. So yeah, when I ran the hose underneath and put the pump back on the car, and it's working great. No leaks, no nothing. Fresh shop. That's awesome. All right. Well, stay tuned for more, guys. And I'll be working on this thing a little bit more probably tomorrow or the day after. So make sure you stay tuned. Please like, subscribe. Peace. Love you guys.